welcome to Tech News 1, and here we just have 10 tech news with 2 breaking tech news. So let's just start with the first one. Google Chrome will get a new feature to stop JavaScript based tab napping attacks. So that was the first one, and now let's go to the second one. iPhone 11 is the most shipped smartphone globally in quarter 3, but Samsung dominated top 10 shipping smartphones. Tech news this is the third one. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra tipped to sport 2K display with 120 GHz refresh rate with 108 megapixel camera. Fourth one, YouTube Music adds activity bar for easy access on homepage with multiple personalized playlists. Fifth one, WhatsApp gets a shopping button to see what businesses are selling on the app. Sixth one, Uber allows US customers to reserve rides up to 30 days in advance. That's a pretty good news. And Google Pixel 4 series user facing issues with face unlock, preventing them from unlocking their phones. So basically they're saying that the Google Pixel 4 series, like, users are facing issue with the face unlocking, like they're not able to unlock their phones with their face, which is a problem over there. So just hope they improve that. And yeah, eighth one, iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 13 Pro Max to come with improved ultra wide camera next year. So yeah, they're telling that iPhone 13 will be like launched next year with iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max with improved ultra wide camera. So yeah, that's a pretty good news. Let's go with the breaking tech news. We have here two of them. No free uploads from June 1st, 2021 in like Google Photos. So this is a like pretty like kind of news. I'll just tell you what is this what does this mean. Starting from June 1st, 2021, all your photos or videos will be counted towards the free 15 GB of storage that comes with every Google account. So, like, from June 1st, 2021, like you will be having, when you create a Google account, you will get 15 GB like storage. They'll provide you for Gmail, Google Drive, and yeah. And now, like you, in case you are unaware, Google offers a total 15 GB free storage for Gmail, Drive, and Photos. So if the provided space gets full, then you'll have to buy the Google One subscriptions to get more storage. Okay, so it's something like that. Google noted that all the existing high quality content will remain exempted from the storage quota. This also means that if you upload new photos and videos in high quality before June 1st, 2021, then those won't be counted toward your Google account storage. So yeah, whatever you just have to store in your Google Photos, store it fast. And yeah, even though there is a bit more time, like there is 7 months time. So yeah, that's one kind of like breaking news. Let's go to the 10th one. Apple announced 3 new Mac models on Tuesday, but there is only one thing common among all of them: the M1 chip. The move, a big blow of Intel, marks the beginning of a new era for the PC market. So they're saying that the Apple announced that 3 new Mac models uh, day before yesterday. Like one thing in common among all of them is like the M1 chip. The move, the big blow for Intel, marks the beginning of a new era for the PC market. So yeah, that's it for this tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.